everybody! How do you like my new look? I work some little bit hard to put you guys in a festive mood. These days, end of year, New Year's coming, so always a family getting together. So what we need is delicious food. Without the food, no party, isn't it? So we gotta make really delicious food, and it should be also simple. And also this is for spicy food lovers. I haven't made a video for spicy food for a while. So today's, you guys spicy food lovers, okay, this is yours. Today's recipe is, in Korean, yuringi, pepper chicken. Crunchy chicken with crispy vegetable topped with sweet sour sauce and lots of peppers, real fresh peppers. I'm going to use chicken thigh, but you guys can use also chicken breast. This is 1 pound. I washed this in cold water and just dry out with a paper towel. So I'm going to make it thinner. We are going to fry this, so it's too thick. Like this. Just a little bit, give some cut. Back of my knife. Okay, just a slice like this. So that it's not going to be too thick when we fry. Half a teaspoon salt and sprinkle. This is a kosher salt. Also, pepper, ground black pepper, around quarter teaspoon. My chicken preparation is done, so nice. The reason I like about this chicken is that we eat with just like a salad. It's not like a typical Korean fried chicken. Korean fried chicken, number one quality is it has to be very, very crunchy. But this one, it doesn't have to be. It's like, of course, chicken by itself is very crunchy because we are going to double fry. But sauce, the sauce is like a lot of sauce and also a lot of vegetable together we eating. So it go well with the rice. It's also originated from China. It's a Korean Chinese food. It's yuringi, everybody knows, like a jjajangmyeon, black bean noodles, you remember? The noodles with the black bean sauce on top, and jjajangmyeon, jampong, and tangsuyuk, sweet sour crunchy pork or beef. It's sold in any Korean Chinese restaurant in Korea and in America, in Canada, or in any places. So just remember the name, yuringi. I just renamed it as a pepper chicken. So pepper chicken sounds so cool because I love peppers, on top. Okay, so this is a green onion, large green onion. What is it called? Teppa. It's a large size green onion, and I'm going to use it just as a garnish. If it's not available, you guys can also use regular green onion. All these ingredients I already washed and drained and all dried, nice clean. 2-inch size. And I'll put this here to remove spiciness. So I'm going to soak in the water, cold water, and I gotta add some onion too, just a little bit, about 2 tablespoons. Also Thin slice thin. Like this. I use serrano pepper. How spicy it is, but really thin slice this and not bad. But if you really cannot tolerate, you can make a non-spicy version. How? You can just choose this green chili pepper, really non-spicy green chili pepper, or green bell pepper. You can use also green bell pepper. Slice as thinly as you can. Oh, spicy. Spicy flavor, aroma, and red pepper. Next, let's make a sauce. This sauce is special, sweet sour sauce. This is grapeseed oil, but you guys can use corn oil, canola oil, or just the vegetable oil, any oil. 2 tablespoons oil, cooking oil. 1 teaspoon, this is pepper flakes. This pepper, dried pepper flavor is infused this oil. We call this gochugirum. And strain this. So this oil is like a really flavored oil. And then I'm going to use this just a base to make this sauce. Soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. Vinegar, 3 tablespoons. Same amount, 3, 3, 3. 2, 3. Sugar. So I gotta use sugar. Same amount, 3 tablespoons. That's why it makes it really delicious sauce. So 1, 2, 3. And mix together. I can use my Korean knife. 4 garlic cloves. Right here. And 2 tablespoons water. Sesame oil, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. And mix well until this sugar is well melted. To save time, I'm heating my oil, 2 cups of oil. So we don't need much oil because it's just only 1 pound of chicken. And meanwhile, let's make batter. 1/4 cup starch, potato starch. And 2 pinches salt. And 1 large egg. And mix. Like this. I'm just checking this temperature, but I don't have to actually, I don't need this kind of thermometer. I can show you how to know this right temperature. Okay, this is 350. This is medium-high heat, and let's cook. So chicken, we are not going to coat a lot, just a little bit, like this. So you just take off all this extra batter, like this. All just use up. Perfect amount of batter. So this is really, really nice. I developed this recipe for you guys. In the old days, before I started, YouTube sharing my recipes, I never measured. Just like one of the Korean typical housewives, we never measure. I never learned cooking from cookbook. I never knew that cookbook is working. But now I am the author of 2 cookbooks. Isn't it funny? just cook for 5 minutes. I'm going to heat up this oil 1 minute and then refry. So just like with my other Korean fried chicken, I'm double frying. And wash this in running water. Drain the water. This. Second fry, just 5 or 6 minutes until very, very crunchy. So both sides. Okay, I'm going to take this to the strain. Turn off. This is really hot. I'm going to wait a little bit cool down. Let's make it really look beautiful. So first the lettuce. This dish is very nice because we eat with a lot of vegetables. So now you remember green chili peppers? Put it there. And mix together. And then I'm going to cut bite-sized pieces. Oh, crunchy. Like this. Gochu. Green onion and onion. And sauce. Here you go. We made this pepper chicken, yuringi. To eat this, enjoy this kind of water is boring, isn't it? The non-alcoholic beer. I told you, these days I don't drink real alcohol. So non-alcoholic beer taste is exactly same as alcoholic beer. Even I feel like a little bit drunk. Isn't it weird? Non-alcoholic beer. Cheers, everybody. You guys work so hard, just following my directions. And also, I work hard. I hope you guys make this for your family and happy holidays. Okay. So now beautiful presentation. Somebody has to collapse this in, right? So one of your family members, okay, eat, or everybody. Look at that. Ooh. Some serious guys coming out. You see? Look at this. Here, the chicken is, it's not that crunchy because of this sauce, but really yummy. So delicious. It's still crunchy, but really soaked up this sweet sour sauce. And also when I chew this, like sliced some pepper together in my mouth, it's so yummy. Today we made pepper chicken, yuringi. See you next time. Bye.